Hi, welcome to my creation station. My name is Marla, and if you love crafting, then I love you. Today I'm sharing some practical and affordable tips that I have used to organize my home. Organizing your space doesn't have to cost a lot of money and doesn't have to be done all at one time. Take your time, take advantage of sales and seasonal items, and you'll be well on your way to organized living. My favorite tip of all is to use dark colored dish towels in the kitchen. I love white dish towels, but they are just not practical for me, so these work out perfectly. This may seem a bit over the top, but I alphabetize my spices and store them on elevated risers. It makes it easier for me to figure out what is there, especially when you're short like me and can't see all the way to the back. Most of the jars and labels came from Amazon. I use Dollar Tree olive oil jars and spice jars for my coffee syrups and toppers. The riser and salt and pepper shakers are from Target Dollar Spot. I thought the salt and pepper shakers would be cute to put powdered sugar or cocoa powder in. Put your toaster in a basket if you store it under your cabinet. This keeps all the crumbs from scattering in the shelf and on the floor. Check your trash or pantry for items you can use, like this tin can and cereal box. The can is perfect for storing things like paintbrushes, utensils, or pens. The box can be cut down to fit into drawers and used for organizers. You can paint them, cover them with pretty paper, or leave them as is. Large ball jars from Walmart are about $12 for 6. They're perfect for storing pantry items like baking mixes or oatmeal. You can also use any mason jars that you have left over. Lazy Susans are perfect for odd areas like this corner in my pantry. They can be found at discount stores, but keep an eye out for them at thrift stores. I thrifted the large wood one you see here. These Dollar Tree baskets are perfect for storing dry goods. I personally do not want clear bins for these items. The risers for the cans came from Walmart, and the chalkboard stickers are also from Dollar Tree. You can find affordable plastic containers at any discount or dollar store. These are probably the nicest ones I have. The square top ones came from Target, and a friend gave me the pop top containers. If you have the space, add some pretty to your pantry by using baskets, glassware, as well as cookbooks to dress it up. I'm very lucky to have a large pantry. Use a pretty basket to store things like paper towels and toilet paper. This one is from Ross, under $20. Dollar Tree has these great desk nameplates in the school section. I use them for labeling my bins. I inverted them, added a label, and placed foam tape on the back so they wouldn't fall off. These are plastic beverage jars from Dollar Tree. These are much less expensive than buying glass juice jars to store your laundry supplies. If you don't have a trash can in your laundry room, make a lint jar. This is a jar from Dollar Tree and a large mason jar top with the lid removed. Luckily, my laundry room has a utility sink and is located very close to my craft area, so I use the sink to wash paintbrushes. Again, I recommend using dark towels for your creative spaces. This Five Below makeup brush holder is perfect for holding paintbrushes as they dry. The mop and broom holders from Dollar Tree give hammers their own space too. The Dollar Tree paper towel holders store rolls of tape to get them out of the way. Craft organizers make great storage for batteries. The Dollar Tree mop and broom holder works well for its intended purpose. And for the record, the sticky back is awesome. If you do not have a dark towel designated just for makeup, I highly recommend it. I used my Silhouette to add an iron-on label to mine. Add a shelf to maximize vertical space. This is not the prettiest organization, but I'm using what I have behind closed doors. These drawers from Walmart are great for storing medication. The acrylic bins and baskets are from Dollar Tree. These yogurt jars are great for organizing anything. Here I'm using them to store hair ties. You can actually order lids for these jars from the Yoplait website. A dish drainer works well for organizing makeup palettes. We do have a fairly large walk-in closet, but these tips can work in any size closet. These Dollar Tree bins work well for my more casual shoes that I don't mind being thrown together. I used address labels to print labels for each bin. Dollar Tree shoe boxes hold my nicer shoes. Use baskets in your closet to hold sweaters and loungewear. These are from Sam's. Hanging hats on your wall, if you have the space, is a great way to dress up your closet. Shower curtain hooks are a great way to hang necklaces from a closet rod. Adding a chest to your closet allows extra drawer space. I use the top of mine for displaying my most worn jewelry. Acrylic boxes from Dollar Tree and organizers from the Target Dollar Spot organize my bracelets and earrings. Use shoe boxes and drawers to separate items. Add a dryer sheet to keep things fresh. Think vertical with Dollar Tree bins as well. Clear acrylic refrigerator organizers for purses allow you to see what's inside. These clear shoe bins are thrifted and hold my clutches. Add some comfort to your closet. The chest stores off-season items and allows a place to put on shoes and socks. The rug is from Five Below. Hang your clothes by style and color. The top rod holds my nicer clothes and the bottom rod holds casual wear. I organize long sleeve to short sleeve to tank tops by color. Use a divider to separate work uniforms that you wear often or newer items you don't want to get lost in the shuffle. Don't forget to organize his stuff too. Dollar Tree paper towel holders help to organize hats, usually anyway. Organize his clothes by color and by what system makes sense for him. For my husband, golf clothes are the most important, so they go on top. More casual items and pants are on the bottom, and the opposite side of the closet holds more formal items. My linen closet doubles as a candle closet. I use Dollar Tree containers to organize my candles and candle holders. Containers from Dollar Tree and Big Lots also help corral sheets and blankets. This Dollar Tree flashlight is perfect for the attic or other dark spaces. In our attic, there's a light right over the stairs, but no light in the back. I always manage to get up there before I realize I need a flashlight, so I just used a nail to hang this light. Now it's always there when I need it. Use hooks to make a leash holder. I added hooks to this wood sign from Walmart to hang by the back door so the leashes are ready when the dogs are ready for their walk. I hope you found some tips to help you get organized in your home. Organizing does not have to be expensive to be practical or pretty. Until next time, I wish you peace, health, and sunshine. Bye now.